Hi guys, so I want to watch Running Man, and let's up the Pilipinas because I want to watch Running Man. So let's go. Let's and when I'm sleeping I will gonna go to this. So let's go labas. Oh.
Nasa gitna na ako sa iyo. Bakit ako lumilipad?
Let's slide here. Wee! So now I can watch Running Man. When mom's here, I will gonna close it because I will gonna hide it. So let's get my teddy bear.
Sa susunod na tanong, kailangan yung sagutin nito ay 5 seconds. Magbigay ng apat.
I will be faster because my mom, she's so fast to take a bath. She's in the bathroom. So let's play the game. I get I just get my French fries, but it's not this is a pillow, so I can watch Running Man now. That's all. Bye.